So when you don't tip, it makes a big difference on, you know, we don't make no money. I bring it to you for free, basically. Alrighty, welcome back, Dashers. We back again. So seeing how y'all enjoyed that video last time, we're gonna be confronting another no-tip customer. This time we got somebody ordering from Ruby Tuesdays, and they done ordered over $100 worth of food. They got ultimate crispy chicken sandwich, top sirloin. Man, it may not be 100, but it's up there. But we finna confront him, man. It's a hand to me. So we finna ask him like, hey, what's going on? Why would you order all this food, drive, you know, it's 5 miles away and it's no tip? It better be a cash tip when I get there, but we gonna find out. Hello, I'm picking up an order.
Okay, no problem, you can go pick up order now.
Is it ready? You know if it's ready? Nah, it ain't, cause I don't see it.
I'll be right with you, sir.
No worries.
2 hours later.
You ordered this? Why ain't no tip on this?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What?
Yeah, why ain't no tip on this?
I don't know.
Stop playing with me, what?
What are you? An idiot sandwich. An idiot sandwich.
But when it ain't no tip, I try to get them, especially when it's a hand to me, you know, so. Did you ordered it?
Yes, that's my order.
Yeah, well, it came from 5 miles away. I was trying to see why it ain't no tip. You know how much we get paid?
How much?
$2.
Shut up.
Yeah, just so I can let you know, you know.
That's ugly. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I don't think people do know. So when it ain't no tip, I try to get them, especially when it's a hand to me, you know. So I bring your food for free, just letting you know. But you have a good one though. Just look out for the next driver, because I did this because I already made my money for the day, so I'm not tripping. But I'm looking out for the next person.